Hey guys, lesson 29, last lesson of the mod. I think this is one of the larger ones that we have. I think mod 4 has got like 32 lessons, so that'll be like, I think it's 33 actually, but you know what, don't quote me on it. Okay, so Lamar has 1,354.5 kilograms of potatoes to deliver equally to 18 stores. 12 of the stores are in the Bronx. How many kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to stores in the Bronx? So what do I know? I know that she has this much potatoes. That's a lot of potatoes. And she's got to deliver them equally to 18 stores. Out of those 18, 12 of them are in the Bronx. How many kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to the stores in the Bronx? So this is a two-step problem. Okay? So first thing I'll do is I'm going to make a tape diagram just to give you a little visual. Then this whole tape diagram represents the total amount of kilograms of potatoes, 1,354.5. Now, equally between 18 stores. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 18. Okay? So now, I got to figure out in one. So I'm going to do step 1 is 1,354.5 divided by 18. Okay? So if you want to pause me right now and do the work, you can do it. I'm going to pause it so you can do the work right now, and we'll compare answers when I'm done. Here I got an answer. So for one unit, so for one piece, 1 unit, I got 75.25 kilograms for 1 unit. So when I say 1 unit. Now, I got to figure out what 12 units. And the 1 unit represents the store. So 1 unit is 1 store. Okay? So now I got to figure out what 12 units or 12 stores are. So now I got to do 75.25 hundredths times 12. So right now what I'm going to do is pause it again and you do the work and we'll catch up after. Okay, so I got an answer of 903 kilograms. So there will be 903 kilograms delivered to the Bronx. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, this is another multi-step problem. The area of the rectangle is this. If the length is this, what's the perimeter? So area, so it's a two-step. Area equals length times width. And we did a problem earlier on another lesson with area, so that should not be anything kind of. Perimeter is you add the lengths. Add all the lengths. So you're adding. So the first thing I got to do is, so if I know the rectangle, the area is this, and I know the length is this, I got to find the width. So I got to do the, I got to divide. Okay? So I'm going to pause it. You do it. I have a length of 3.56 meters. Okay? Because when I divide that, I got 3.56. So that's the length. So now to find the perimeter, so you think about it, you could say the width is, I didn't really draw that shape, I guess. You could say this is the 16, and then this is 3.56, 3.56. You can do this a couple of ways. You can multiply these two, and then add them, or you just can add them all together. Well, I know 16 is 32. And then 3.56 times 2, 1, that's 10, it's 11, 6, 7. So that's 7 and 12 hundredths. So now it's 32.00 plus 7 and 12 hundredths is equal to 39.12 meters. So that perimeter equals, should be right in theory. Okay, check out the flow chart. Bye-bye.